Hey guys, welcome to my object show. These are the contestants, and this is the intro. Okay, so your first challenge is to get me a limited edition Chicken Nugget 2! The first person to get me that is safe, and everyone else is up for elimination.
I'm evil, and I'm just gonna buy a chicken nugget 1, not a chicken nugget 2. It'll surely trick him.
Oh yeah, I'll do that too.
You don't have any chicken nuggets in stock?
Yeah, there's 2 left. Do you have any chicken nuggets in stock? Yeah, there's 1 left. I love my job.
Here's your chicken nugget 2.
This is clearly a chicken nugget 1, not a chicken nugget 2. For not giving me what I want, you are up for elimination, PCMMP. Oh, I don't want to be put up for elimination. Well, I already bought this, so I guess I'll just eat it. Did you just eat my chicken nugget 2? No? You don't want to end up like these guys, do you? Well, make sure you get me the right chicken nugget and don't eat it. Whoa, I should really go fast or else I'm not going to have enough time to get myself a chicken nugget too. Here's what he would be saying if I didn't already get the last one. Hey look, broken TV guy. I got the chicken nugget. Broken TV, look at this chicken nugget too I found. Nom. Wow, that's definitely a chicken nugget too. You are safe. Yippee! I'm safe! That settles it. Viewers, vote for either C, Face, Polycop Mickey Mouse PNG, or Geometry Dash Uploado to be eliminated. The person with the most votes will be gone from the show. Voting ends? Yeah. TV guy, can you recover the dead people? Oh yeah, sure. Whew.